I need to clear some of the small trees and weeds and fawns in the backyard, and I bought this Echo blade kit to go with my Echo trimmer. So I'm gonna install this and see how it works. I believe that this thing would get attached to the head. So this is the kit. It fits all these models, so again, it only fits an Echo. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's in it. I guess the guard, or the washers and the essentials. I don't know what this does. Oh, I think this is the strap. I won't be needing it. This is the blade. And I think everything is in here. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take off the Echo head. So this kit has everything. So I'm gonna use this screwdriver to remove the head. The first thing I'm going to do is find this little area right here. I'm going to insert this as I'm going to turn it until I see the divot. Oh, I see it right here. You cannot see it right here, but when you turn it, you will see a hole. And once you see a hole, you insert this screw right here, and you just, this one locks it together, and then you just turn it. I'm gonna put the phone down. You turn clockwise. So when you turn clockwise, this thing comes off. Oh, it just came out. So obviously, we don't need the speed feed or auto feed. So this thing comes from the trimmer, and I see this thing is the same. So I'm gonna see which one is the one I need. Okay, so after you take this off, you're gonna put the plastic kit, the plastic protector in there, along with the ring and the respective screws, which are here. It comes with the kit. So I hand tie this one. I'm gonna hand tie this one in here. I'm gonna hand tie. So once these 3 screws are in, I'm gonna use this tool to tie it. So I'm gonna tie in this. Okay, the next step are really important. As you can see, this is the old one that goes with the trimmer head. You got 3 of these rings right here. So, obviously, this one is for a different model. We're gonna pick I think this one go with all models. So you would have to pick either this one or this one. This one fits the 225. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it this way in here. You're gonna put it the flush side in here, just like that, again, just like that, and then you're gonna put the blade, the printing against the guard. Just like that. So it's nice and flush right now. And then you're gonna put this right there. Again, the flush eye in, the flush side in. Just, oops, it's falling. Just like that. So, just like that. And you're gonna screw this on. I mean, you put that on and you put this nut right here. Remember, this nut is in reverse direction. So instead of righty-tighty, you need to do it in reverse direction, counterclockwise. Once you put that in, you're gonna use one of these locks to lock it, to prevent it from coming from, you know, for safety reasons, because there's as you can see, there's a hole right here. So you insert it right in here. Can you see? Insert it right in here. So these are the bobby pins. You're gonna insert it right in here. See if I can do it. Oh, yep, I got it. So you put it in here. This is really important. You need to do this. It's for safety reasons. So this is it. So for safety reasons, I'm gonna twist this so that way it won't come out. So use my finger just to twist it. Just, you know, for double safety. So that's it, guys. Just 3 pieces. The inner ring, the blade, the outer ring, and the nut, and the safety pin. Of course, you know, you have the blade guard. I'm gonna start it up and see how it feels. Make sure you have your safety is your goggles and ear protection. I'm wearing my cleat, my baseball cleat. I don't need this right now. I have my trimmer So for the 225 model that I have, I need to use the big one, the big ring, not the little one, because as you can see, the one I take off has this you know, quarter of an inch bump out, and this one has a 1/4 of an inch bump out, versus this one is flush, so it doesn't work. So I'm gonna use this one, the big one. Use this, basically put it in here. There's only one way to put it. Put it like this, and put the blade in. The one with the print is facing this way. The one without print is facing the ground. And then you put the other one in. I think this just locks it. Do I have it running right now? Okay, I did an hour of work with this new blade attachment. It works pretty good. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I recommend it. So one thing nice about these blades versus the traditional, you know, saw blades is that these you can sharpen it yourself with a filer, and I think the other one, the traditional one, you could also, but I think this only has 12 teeth. Yeah, go give it a try and see how you liked it. I'm happy with it. Oh, one other thing. So when you're cutting this, it's better to push the blade towards the thorns and ivies, not like side swinging it. Not swing to the left, swing to the right, just push it through. It works best for me that way.